As indicated by our ongoing Chiliz cost forecast, the worth of Chiliz will expanded by 249.86%, coming to 49 cents by end of 2025. All specialized markers truly show that in every practical sense, current feeling is negative, while the apprehension and covetousness record is perusing 31.84. And that implies sort of intense trepidation. Our Chiliz figure, it's dangerous to sell Chiliz at the present time. On February 25, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating a very broad negative feeling among Chiliz cost expectations, which is very critical. See the specific Chiliz cost expectation beneath. You will know how for the most part a lot of Chiliz in every practical sense is by and large worth in the next few long stretches of time in an exceptionally significant manner. Over the truly most recent 30 days, Chiliz has generally diminished by 1.20%. Because of this, we can generally get with the exception of a truly slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of February, the worth of Chiliz expanded by 118.96% and came to approach around 30 cents, or so they essentially thought. Presently, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and veracity record fundamentally shows 31.84 in every practical sense, intense feelings of dread in a quite large manner. As indicated by our conjecture, this especially isn't the ideal opportunity to generally sell Chiliz, or so they by and large thought. Presently, Chiliz generally is exchanging beneath the 200 truly basic moving kind of normal. For the kind of most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA certainly has shown a Chiliz selling genuinely signal in an unpretentious manner. The cost of Chiliz is presently running beneath the 50-day truly basic moving kind of normal, SMA, and it certainly shows a purchase truly signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 18 cents. Toward the finish of December in every way that really matters, enormous way. By December 2023, 2024, Chiliz's genuinely transient 50-day SMA for the most part shows a 13 cent. The general strength file, RSI, force oscillator, explicitly is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital currency explicitly is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI for the most part is as of now at or civilu. This demonstrates that the CHZ market especially is in an unbiased position, or so they thought. Chiliz CHZ value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Chiliz came to 15 cents. When it dipped under $0.0997, interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Chiliz is headed to passing the 30 cents mark before the current year is over, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Before 30 cents, it might break its characteristic of 89 cents and really reach. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Chiliz will basically break its past all-time high of 89 cents and sort of hold somewhere in the range of 29 cents and 30 cents soon, or so they thought. At this point, on 25 February 2023, Chiliz truly is exchanging at 13 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume fundamentally is around 124.03 M, and it certainly makes number 54 money in the entire crypto world. Chiliz value forecast 2024. There basically is plausible that Chiliz can get through the 35 cents obstruction and, for the most part, hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Chiliz cost will be between 29 cents to 35 cents, and the most probable Chiliz cost will be consistent at around 34 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite Chiliz's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its naturally unpleasant energy use, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper in a real sense is adhering to his expectation that Chiliz will reach 35 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Chiliz value forecast 2025. By 2024, market examiners and specialists anticipate that CHZ will begin the year at 40 cents and exchange around 49 cents. As indicated by their expectations, this would explicitly be very high contrasted with a year ago. This sort of is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Chiliz value forecast 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Chiliz 2026 value expectation will pretty twofold in cost, yet it for the most part is likewise genuinely conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest 62 cents level. Chiliz in a real sense is in every practical sense anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of 60 cents or 62 cents in 2026. And it could commonly be the extended period of Chiliz. Chiliz Value Expectation 2027. Chiliz Value Forecast, or CHC, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it explicitly has the essentially potential to accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, Chiliz's cost is supposed to generally outperform 62 cents in 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. It basically has been anticipated that Chiliz will arrive at the most extreme cost of 62 cents, and the in every practical sense least cost is supposed to especially be around 52 cents in the exceptionally next a long time from 2027. Chiliz Gauge 2028 market examiners and specialists basically foresee in every practical sense say that Chiliz value expectation and specialized examination, Chiliz is supposed to cross a value level of 71 cents in 2028, which in every practical sense is very huge. In the meantime, Chiliz is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of 64 cents this year in a significant manner. The sort of greatest cost might reach 73 cents. In spite of mainstream thinking, Chiliz CHC Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the Chiliz Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation foresee that the expense of Chiliz will reach 96 cents, and the cost of CHC ought to reach 96 cents before the year is over. Furthermore, CHC can especially reach up to 91 cents in cost, which truly is genuinely huge. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for Chiliz development. CHC Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Chiliz value forecast are supposed to generally cross the $1.40 especially normal cost level, as indicated by Chiliz estimate and specialized examination, which in a real sense is very huge. Toward the finish of 2030, Chiliz's base cost in every practical sense is supposed to by and large be $1.31 in a truly significant manner. Furthermore, CHC can in every practical sense arrive at a greatest value level of $1.40. Toward the finish of 2030, Chiliz will have a typical cost of $1.40. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. Chiliz Value Expectation 2031. Chiliz cost generally is assessed to reach $1.86 by 2031, at kind of least, with a typical exchanging cost of $1.90 all through 2031. Chiliz's worth could come to $1.94 at its most elevated, which truly is very critical. The experts in every way that really matters expect the all things considered greatest cost to generally be exchanging around $1.90. Chiliz Figure 2032. Of every 2032, Chiliz will attempt to arrive at the most reduced degree of $2.53 in an essentially large manner. It might sort of attempt to get the most extreme and by and large next top level of $2.62.